can come give on them and again because now I said na we hear this man go na ekwu late Michael Jago say anu eno abia ejo anu ana abia ejo anu eta abia ejo. Father Joy Nwebe, for how long will people come and talk to you, or for how long will people make video to tell you to cease fire? So unu na fear no say na Ebuka evangelist Ebuka Obi mass because of na accuse Father Mbaka towards him. So I begin to ask, biko kanjukwa nucho nya de nyanzo, is Father Mbaka really fueling Father Joy Nwebe ko ni ekwu ha na ekwu ko ni ekwu ihe ọ na ekwu? Because I'm beginning to see this as a collective effort. Father Joy Nwebe kulo gabana ekwu ginazu. Nobody will come out and address him saying na no ozugo kwala keep saying this thing no ozugo. Ndị mmadụ ekpela na ga-ekpele saying na biko city Father Joy Nwebe na ekpele. I don't think na the ekpele na alụ ọlụ. I don't think no na alụ ọlụ n'isi gị o. Mana asị na onye who heaven is helping should have to help himself also. So biko Father Joy Nwebe nna ajụ onye na-efuel this saga and this your agitation all the time. You have called on all the whole reverend fathers ka ha bịa betile gị aka okwedogo omume due to your the kind of ihe na-eme. Look at the way Ebube Monso was welcomed in America. He was given a heroic welcome in America. They welcome him well. Mana gwa eji aka gị baa America ya ji aka gị kwala efe gị gbaga agbago kwala efe gị pata. Father Joy Nwebe, is it not high time you have to chikonata onwe gị ọnụ gbalo okwu na ụka anụ nsọ? Ekwensu na ha epush gị because I'm beginning to see na ekwensu na epush gị. The thing na epush gị na adọ gị gwagam kwue pụta ka ime nke pụta ka ime nke ọzọ. I am not against you book where mass is no Holy Spirit is again, so be it between you and the Holy Spirit. But one thing I know, and I'm keep saying it, the Holy Spirit can never make you to be a talkative. Anybody that talks too much cannot walk with God. But it's so sad that people will not see this apart and people address Yagio because kisi ekwiha na akpọ Mbaka afanya because ever since Mbaka kpọ gesege thank you for nkekul ina ekuzi na akpọ afa Mbaka na akpọ afa Mbaka na okwu gị na-ekwu ka ya sno Mbaka na edu gị. Now, are we going to start seeing that looking na Mbaka is actually fueling you ka ị na-ekwu ihe ị na-ekwu? I keep asking that question. Because I'm speaking in the mind of my own opinion now. Oga, are you being fueled to say what you are saying? Because now Father Mbaka na edu gigi kuya. From other priests, other tribes na ekwu okwu or kuloku na this and apart from you all the time. Ijize odizaki ijize Ebuka Obi grow your page imago ka ị na-enweta more fuel. But what shall it profit a man to gain the whole world? That distance in a gidi now. What shall it profit you when you gain the whole world? At the end of the day, or your message did not to go anywhere. Only Mali Bishop Father Joy Nwebe si cheni I want to know. Obono in good time with Father Mbaka. Is it that no Father Mbaka na edu? And for those people now saying that bloggers now no go be defend the Ebuka Obi, are you people also paid to defend Father Mbaka? If you cannot answer that question, then shut up your mouth. And end of this video.
Attack somebody like Daddy and it's not possible. You know, and you keep quiet. You keep quiet. Attack it. Somebody knows. Somebody got another person. Who is who? In charismatic ministry. Even mandate from Delta, he has built a lot of people. Come there. Every who is who in Igboland Ghana on that vigil of Mbaka say here, anybody, and take a chance who address our people. Of course. Conga in record. Can you hear me? Mbe desecrated the priesthood. Mbe one of us. And equal foolish any did among the father got any. Yes. It's important. Once and for all, we handle everything. It may decisively. At least Amago and Kahagago. Yes. So that I'm going to say Harawa, you carry the burden because I am a Bruno can make a billion and dozen because I'm able to call the Father Mbaka. Onyabu okusi enono ana you ekukwana because they know that his word nwere a power on it. Onya keji na you ekukwana.
Any way age when underrated because his apostolic obedience is top notch.
Yes. Of course. And silence is consent. If we remain silent, we consent to what they have done to him, which is not right.
So after Maya no okay money from various dioceses or both on nature or where the province or only everywhere. Enugu Soka Anyara anywhere Malay people who is who the leaders. My father told him that India were stakehold in a charismatic renewal. Let everybody lay aside every interest of the one onwe money gabu onwe ike ru echi fund the adopro for bishop doliye ya on alofa because onye ona na-eme priesthood is the highest word brotherhood in the whole world. So one day on the mode here in the early church the apostles will gather in Jerusalem.
Council
We gather in Jerusalem. Around Podan, I see her. That's a good kind of body. We are not council, and yeah, what in the father question handle here. Oh, almost a boy who's here. The bishop, we're making it. So thank you. Then in the video, see, one Bonezi, First of August. First of August. About March 6 p.m. Oburo kwano mo go won ko pass it no ozi ka mo so do them yen na no do ka bo around boy ndi nwe what it takes ndi nwe obodo ndi nwe okwu na ani Igbo ihe gbasara ekpere they don't even make no ndị dị ka Tony Najifa wa ha no ebe a jide aka plan all the mass ihe ma won na akụ asi ukwu mekwu maka mma na onye ha dị ukwu okwu a. We speak to the heart of kings, princes of the church in the charismatic renewal, in the adoration ministry, in the deliverance ministry. You know when I go both from me one but what does he sitting all ayara everywhere. Where Soka Okiwe Newi Aba everywhere. Port Harcourt diocese will go Calabar everywhere. Uyo Akwikote every Mabuja all Mafa. Let them come down and use their mouth and plead mercy to God and say sorry to Father Ejike and congratulations for making that. Oh, when they are having fame I Bishop says they have men he disobeyed. Don't want to get fight. I'm going to education. Don't want to Ebuka Obi don't want to be no kanki. So he just go be somebody like Kinekana Oge in Jaka. We no. Na father could be Hugo. Jesus Christ. Eburuzie ebe mbaka could be Hugo. Faku. Ebe mbaka could be Hugo. That means on a moment the history na shrine. Baka me paraba communist. Jesus Christ. Mbaka ndo na mundo karawa ebube dike ka ebo ana ekwuye no bank mo so se mechi onu mbaka ka na afuzi na amako Jesus Christ ebe afro mbaka na amako ebe afro mbaka na amako ezi ya ba ya afuzi dedika ewa they way high past Jesus Christ Chineke mekwa ndị mmadụ ebere onye a na-ekwu edi serious o na-ese elu ya ndị mmadụ na-asụ mpaka na ojoje ego bie for prophecy inyere arrangement imere igbe mmadụ na-atụ asị witi kwuche oyi eziokwu Chineke mere anyị biko ka anyị fụnụ na 1st of what August 2025 6 p.m. is the time ọnụ ya kara ibe